Okay, these guys here sent me some LED headlights. These here will go in 2000, they're bulb 9006, so all the Fords that take 9006 they'll work in. But I'm going to try them out, give my opinion on them, and if I don't like them, well, there won't be a video, I guess. But if they're good, I'll post a video. So it's dark out now, so let's see here. It's dark out now, so I'm going to go install them and see how they work. So this is what it looks down my alley with the factory 9006 bulbs. Now I'm going to go install those LEDs. So yeah, I gotta use this here because you know, these things are froze and I'm not gonna buy new ones for this old junk. Yeah. There, it's even got the tag so I don't forget. I'm not going to be taking these headlights out, at least not this side. Get my hand in there. Man, it's cold too. Good day to be doing this video. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Lost that. Wait. Oh, nice. Have to get in the snow. So these are the old ones. Okay. Pair them, I guess, maybe. All right. So this one you got to take out, but man, these clips still on there. So, put these in there like that. Now I'll probably want to get the headlight back in because I hate doing these things. Old one. Oh, there. Right in there. And then plug it in pretty easy. Let's see. This is good. Alright, so I got these lights in. I take my hood prop wheel off. Yeah, that thing works good. Alright. Not too bad. Let's see. Well, they're pretty bright. Alright, we'll turn the lights on and take it for a drive. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, them brights work good in here. Man. Yeah, they work excellent, I think. So this is where we were parked in the alley before from the other lights. Look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah, good. Take it down the highway a little bit. They're a lot better than the other ones, that's for sure. Spot. Oh, a ditch never hurt anybody. Yeah, I recommend these lights, I do. I didn't expect them to be this good, that's for sure. So we're gonna go back here where it's dark, and you know, I can't end the video without doing a little, you know, something. Let's see. I'll raise it. Oh yeah. See, good. We better do a little more of that. That wasn't even close to being done. Look at them lights. Look at them lights. They're bright as hell. Oh yeah, fresh snow. Fresh snow donuts. So, you see them like, oh, I'll roll the window down. One more time. Look at them. Alright, so there they are. I would get some of, you know, you're looking to upgrade your lights, because they're pretty decent, I'll tell you that. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and appreciate it and all that stuff. See you on the next one.